that I will share behind the scenes. Look at how XY Global helped bring Organ 1-3 project to life with ultra-precision PMMA machining. Our medical customers develop advanced Organ 1-3 platforms in ultra systems that simulate real human organs. The component we were asked to manufacture is the transparent PMMA microstructures used to form fluid channels and cell control zones. The part required is extremely high transparency and a dimensional tolerance 0.01 mm. To achieve this level of accuracy, we used dual-side CNC machining. One of the biggest challenges was balancing optical clear with the dimension stability. Slave polishing produced a glossy surface, but caused the heat-induced rubbing. Wherever the surface wasn't clear enough, we worked closely with the client's engineer team, reviewed the functional zone, and optimized the non-critical tolerance. This allowed us to keep the area with things back while producing one glossy observation surface and one functional surface. Throughout the process, we used customer features, repeated and retest, and stress-rest preparation to ensure stability and accuracy across every batch. The final parts met all optical, dimensional, and assembly requirements. At XY Global, we turn complex concepts into reliable, manufacturable solutions. My story is over. Thank you for your listen. Bye.